If you're joining us, you're watching Channel 1 News Hour. Let's now focus on the global perspective and the facts regarding coronavirus. And now originating from China's Hubei province, the COVID-19 pandemic has presented the biggest challenge yet for the globe's healthcare capacity. And as governments across the world endeavor to contain its spread, primary healthcare has been cited as critical in the fight against the pandemic.
The importance of primary health services. These services actually look at provision of services that are suitable, are customized to the people who are being given these, and also putting into consideration their ability, their capability to afford these services so that they can have accessibility, not just in terms of physical distance, but also due to financial capability. These are important. One, it will increase the accessibility. Two, it will reduce the cost for the people, and will be reducing the number of people actually being referred to the higher level, so that the higher levels can actually just deal with the needy specialized services. So this will enhance our universal health care. It will actually make it more feasible that we'll attain giving services to our whole nation.
And now the global coronavirus cases have exceeded the 10 million mark, with over 500,000 people having succumbed to the respiratory disease. The United States accounts for about a quarter of all deaths, with over 128,000 reported fatalities.
The most recent numbers from Johns Hopkins University tally show that the death toll now stands at over 505,000 since the first cases emerged in China late last year. The United States has witnessed over 128,000 deaths from COVID-19, accounting for about a quarter of the global total. At least 12 states in the U.S. have now paused or rolled back plans to reopen, hoping the move will slow further spread of the virus. Brazil, United Kingdom, Italy, and France are the other countries that have recorded the worst death tolls. Meanwhile, the state of Victoria in southern Australia has found 75 new cases of coronavirus in the past 24 hours, the highest daily count in 2 months. Its top health official says the number is absolutely concerning. India has reported a new daily record of nearly 20,000 new infections as several Indian states reimpose partial or full lockdowns to stem the spread of the coronavirus. And as the coronavirus pandemic continues, the World Health Organization has announced that there are now more than 1 million cases of COVID-19 in the eastern Mediterranean alone. Places reporting a recent rise in cases in the area include Iran, Iraq, Libya, Morocco, Palestinian territories, and Oman. Elsewhere, Israel's health minister has warned that a second wave of COVID-19 infections has begun as new cases of the coronavirus soar in a country that appeared to have it well under control just a few weeks ago. South Africa's current surge of COVID-19 cases is expected to dramatically increase in the coming weeks and press the country's hospital to the limit, the health minister has said. South Africa, a country of 57 million people, already has more than a third of the reported cases for all 54 countries in Africa, a continent of 1.3 billion people. Global coronavirus cases now exceed 10.2 million and more than 5.5 million people have recovered. For Channel 1 News, I am Emily K. Bade.